Rain is what I'm dealing with today. I'm gonna see if I can pull off a flying session in the middle of it. The spot that I had planned is a little busy today with some traffic, but the rain has quit enough, and I guess I can fly at this little park here, get some packs in. Well, the last spot sucked. I've been here before, tried to power loop this thing, and it didn't work out. I want to try to do it again, and hopefully I don't get run out of this place. Here we go. That crash did some damage. I think I got the parts with me to fix it though. That is not supposed to be bent like that. And that piece is not supposed to be broke. No drones, right there on the bottom.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh.
Well, the sun has come out.
Yep, I have.
We're out here. Oh. No, not that sun. The sun. That sun up there has come out. We're back here at the, I don't know what you call this place.
The other park that's not Dew Point or the marina.
Yeah.
There you go.
So we have come back to this spot. Waiting on some guys to get here. We're gonna fly. Probably won't bore y'all too much with some footage from here, because y'all have seen plenty of it. But let's do this. Batteries look good and charged. Casey ass hat. There's John. There's John.
Well, this one turned out nice.
There's George Clooney. Oh, I missed it.
Way to go.
No, we're not gonna break it more. I'm gonna try and fly it a little bit.
Yeah, I hear you.
But just from right there onto the wet, damp ground.
Correct.
It just got done raining, ground squishy and soft, and it
I'll
broke
put
from
the-
here to here.
I'll put the fall that I did get in the video.
Yeah, that looks good. Mine doesn't look anything like that. Nothing like it. I wish mine was still hooked up, but I took it out. How do you do that? Okay. Can you fly line of sight, Tommy?
As long as it's facing away from me.
That's me too. As long as the antenna's pointing toward me,
Yeah.
I'm okay.
As soon as I go to turn, it goes to the ground.
That one.
Woo, what a day. The rain finally went away. Got a lot of flying in today. Got to hang out with some buddies, had a good time. It's about time for a couple of those. And thanks for watching.